Hi, my name is Brianna Rapp, and I'll be showing you how this circuit works. So it works by when I initially press a button that triggers the digidice, and the digidice is basically a series of gates that will produce like a dice rolling, and it goes up to 6. So you can see here each time it's random. So as seen in the circuit before, you can see it gradually slows down, and this is mostly due to this initial component right here that's at the beginning of the circuit, and that was that button that I pressed. So it slows down because of the slew rate, and as it like progresses each time, the slew rate becomes more heavy and it becomes more of an impact on the circuit, and you can see each time it changes. That's because of the RC component right here, which is essentially just a smaller, it's just an RC circuit, and the time it changes is actually tau. And we can control tau and control it by adjusting the resistance to the capacitance, so we can produce like a faster or slower time. This component right here was responsible for the LED lights, and essentially it's just triggering the LED lights because it takes the input from, this is what was the part that I just initially explained, and it takes the input from there, how it alternates, and I'll go down the sequence. This is a step before beginning the digidice because we have to first see which inputs correspond to which outputs so we can produce a final product. And this is our final component, and we have basically adjusted this so it'll only produce an output of 6, or max goes up to 6, so it simulates a digiday or just a dice. So the most valuable, skill that I learned from this class was being able to troubleshoot a problem and also develop a circuit basically by scratch and understand the key components of it. And this will help me as a future physicist, because essentially what the major and career is really all about is being able to solve complex problems and simplify them. And when you can simplify like a complex circuit to individual parts with the schematic, it'll help you farther that. And this is actually going to help me with my internship because I have to understand each component, because it's more of a condensed matter physics internship, and that'll help me be able to help them and to learn more in my career.